ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ki artali ki kinhuon ki banyakun Pyrshah haka semi-final ka banikong jong shispa lai pulai Indian Oil Duran Cup Araja Apsau kata ka Shillong Lajong Football Club Pyrshah ka North East United Football Club kila penpa bagla thrang dik banyakun ya kani ka semi-final ka balong lasai ka sngi ka apun rutrik unailar Hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Pulo. Kumban chikudo bag Shillong Lajong FC Pyrshah ka North East United FC kidigi club jo ka than chitay lam Ïing par kadai ru ka sien ka banikong bakinyakun haka semi-final. Haba yakran bikilat pathai khubur u head coach ka Shillong Lajong u Jose Hevia ha ka jingdon lang ringkat bat u rang yele akai ka Shillong Lajong u Hardi Cliff Nongbri kilapan pa baginya khunting ban Pyrshah final kumta kila wer biang ikipaj ba ban wan ai ka jingkarshan bapura kat ba u head coach ka North East United FC u Juan Pedro Benali ha ka jingdon lang ringkat bat u rang yele akai u redeem talang kilapan pa bagi kimen bagi team na po ka than chatay lam Ïing kaya khun Pyrshah ha ka semi final.
Looking forward to seeing all tomorrow. Gracias.
Stronger than the day before, stronger than the day against East Bengal, stronger than the day against FC Goa, and focused on the victory. That's it, simple. The scenario of Meghalaya, the scenario of Sudan. If this is the scenario of Northeast, I would like to be always here in Northeast, because this scenario is unbelievable. It's incredible. I've seen this in Spain many times, but here in India, never before. And what you can feel when you are on the field, feeling the support of those amazing people supporting you is incredible. So we have to reply with the best. They deserve the best. It's not for us, it's for them. We are really, really excited and eager to play the match of tomorrow, because it's a milestone not only for the club, also for all of us, and obviously for all the faithfuls and people from Meghalaya. So we'll try again to do our best performance as we did in the last match, and hopefully we can be the final. We'll do with our 100%, and we'll see. Hopefully the result can be the result we are expecting. So now, whatever you want to ask,
I want to give to our fans for always supporting us from the first match till the quarterfinal. And yes, tomorrow is going to be a tough match for us, and we will give our best and we go for the beginning.
we have to improve from the first day. The problem we had at first was the short period of time we had to face the first match together, because I arrived only 6 days before the first match. So it was a little bit complicated at first to start developing properly all the concepts and movements. We think the team has to have a very clear to face all the matches with the best with the best level of competing. And what happened through the Duran Cup tournament is we have improved little by little, and obviously with no good performances as well, as happened in the first half of FC Goa match. But we could figure out, and I think the result of the performance the team developed during the East Bengal match is the good or is the best reply to show which is our level right now. The current level the team has right now. All teams all over the world would like to have. So as they are supporting us, we will reply with the best in order to win the final together. So for sure, the support is incredible. We have to focus on our performance. Obviously, we have to analyze what the opponents are doing, and we've got obviously the assessment of the performance of Northeast United. However, we have to focus on the things we can develop, the things we can handle, and only the things we are having every day with us, I mean, about the players, about the technical stuff, it's other things we can develop properly, we can handle properly, and we are focused on that.
Really happy to be in Shillong, you know. Feel we are home, even if you play against Shillong Lajong, you know. We've been many times coming to watch the games here, and we love the city, we love the area. Lady is from here, and we can say we are very near. And proud that two teams from Northeast, you know, played the semi-final of such a great tournament, the Cup. And it will be very nice for the fans to see tomorrow.
And it's a privilege also for me to come back home after 5 years since my last match for Shillong Lajong in this stadium. Tomorrow it's the first time that I come back and play against them USD tomorrow. And it's a good feeling to be back home, and I expect you guys also will enjoy the good match.
As any coach will say, you know, we're not here for holidays. We're not here to see Shillong only. You know, we came to play game, try to go to the final. That's our aim. That's our objective, and that's it. You know, with all the respect for Shillong Lajong, of course. Oh, it's great. This will be a fourth or the fifth game we play against Shillong Lajong. We played friendly games. We played Duran Cup last season. We played the Super Cup now with a new coach, a new mentality, a team who runs a lot, a team who's very well organized. They know what they play. They have a clear idea what they want. We can see all the games they played till now. It's totally clear, and we hope we can stop it.
For all the matches, there has been ground support for the local team.
We want full stadium. You know, we're professional. In the field, there's 11 players and referees, nothing more. Maybe 10 sometimes if this is the red card or something. Public, or supporters, fans doesn't play in the field. We want the noise. Sometimes it's very good. Sometimes it's against also the team, local team, if it's not doing well. It depends. Sometimes it's more pressure. It depends. Some people will have the heart broken, you know, divided heart, you know, Northeast from one side and Shillong, but we're brothers, and we hope the best can go to the final, who will do the best football, and fair play.
Community dengan kalau baru tim di tim kelain apa itu semifinal nanti kapa jam ni kapa so yang ela shakan upaya yang hiu kan upaya ambil kapa so jadi yang ada ka Ïakhun kapa doyak ni kamen menyo job.